Did you know that baobab fruit contains 6 times more vitamin C than oranges? That's right. This amazing superfood is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Welcome back to the channel, Health Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods, and we're putting the spotlight on the baobab fruit. This incredible fruit is gaining popularity in health and wellness circles, and for good reason. So, let's explore why this unique fruit deserves a spot in your diet. In today's fast-paced world, many of us face common health challenges like fatigue, poor digestion, and weakened immune systems. With so much junk food available, it can be tough to find nutrient-dense options that truly support our health. That's where superfoods come in. These nutrient-rich foods provide us with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants we need to tackle these challenges head-on. But with so many options out there, how do we know which superfoods are the best for us? Enter baobab fruit, a powerful ally in our quest for better health. So, what's all the hype about baobab fruit? First off, it's incredibly high in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system and fighting off those pesky colds. But that's not all. Baobab is also loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, it's a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Imagine getting all these amazing benefits just from adding a little baobab powder to your smoothies or oatmeal. It's like a nutritional powerhouse in a fruit. Now, let me share a quick story that highlights the impact of baobab fruit on health. I came across a study that followed a group of individuals who incorporated baobab into their daily diets for 3 months. The results were astonishing. Participants reported increased energy levels, improved digestion, and even glowing skin. One participant mentioned that they hadn't felt this good in years. This just shows how adding nutrient-dense foods like baobab can make a significant difference in our overall wellness. To wrap it up, baobab fruit is truly a superfood that can help us tackle common health issues and improve our overall well-being. With its high vitamin C content, antioxidants, and fiber, it's a fantastic addition to any diet. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health naturally, consider giving baobab fruit a try. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried baobab fruit or any other superfoods? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more health tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Let's keep this health journey going together.